What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And in today's video we'll be talking about some good news about the Samsung Galaxy S22 series lineup. Now not only that, we have also some of important news for the Indian fans out there. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. So now that you have done that, let's get started. So the good news about the Galaxy S22 series lineup will be the two major parts, in which the first part is that in the major of this A department in the processor side, the S22 lineup will be using the Samsung's, not only the Samsung's processor but the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in most of the region. And not only that, talking about the price segment of this smartphones too, the price has also been revealed and it's very interesting for the Indian users. The S22 series will be starting at a price of 70,000 rupees for the base S22. The S22 Plus will be starting at 80,000 and the Ultra will be starting at along near to the 1 lakh rupees price point. Now these are the prices which are being offered by the current gen Samsung Galaxy S21 series lineup smartphones, and it has been remained unchanged. But there is also one disappointing news for the Indian fans, as the Galaxy S22 lineup will be coming in Exynos 2100 variant as its processor, and it will not be getting a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor in India. Now what do you think about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 and the Exynos 2100 processor when launching in India? Which one would you prefer? Do vote it out in our official community poll, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.